Manual credit risk assessments are holding your team back. Slow spreadsheets, error prone calculations, and models that crumble under modern financial complexity. The Building Credit Scoring Model skill delivers battle tested solutions. Automated financial feature engineering with PySpark pipelines, RESTful API integrations for real time transaction data ingestion, compliant SHAP value explainers, and distributed XGBoost training with Dask clusters. Whether you're a data scientist wrestling with imbalanced datasets, a machine learning engineer automating CI CD pipelines, or a fintech developer bridging legacy banking systems, this is your toolkit. Spoiler alert, the only thing we're calculating manually is how fast you'll outrun legacy systems. Here's what's inside the Building Credit Scoring Model skill. First, pre-built feature engineering templates that handle sparse financial data and categorical embeddings out of the box. Second, native connectors for Plaid and Yodlee APIs to stream transaction history directly into your training pipeline. Third, real-time scoring microservices with gRPC endpoints for millisecond latency. Fourth, automated ESG compliance checks aligned with Basel III regulations. Fifth, drift detection monitors that flag shifting economic patterns before they skew predictions. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples, from subprime loan detection to SME credit lines. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Turn risk into revenue with models that adapt faster than a trader's spreadsheet at 3 a.m. Installing the Building Credit Scoring Model skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Building Credit Scoring Model. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert-level guidance, from adversarial validation techniques to GPU-accelerated hyperparameter tuning. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically, and your AI assistant now knows how to debug data leakage in time series splits, optimize recall for high-risk segments, and generate audit trails for regulators. No PhD in AI required, though your CFO might start asking uncomfortable questions about why you're smiling at spreadsheets again. Your models just got a credit boost they can't repay.